Here's the smoke detector, also with carbon monoxide detection. Here's the base plate. We use these screws, attach it to the ceiling up there. Here's the unit. 3 AA batteries are going to go inside there. When you get it up on the wall, it's going to be a twist lock. Well, that's the noise it makes. That does the job. I accidentally hit test there, and I won't make that mistake again.
Yeah.